Hey cousins, it's cousin Rosie, and in this video I'm going to show you how I make my pork chop fried rice. So to get started, I have my oil and my little wok here, and these are my pork chops. So I tried to buy some pork chops with a bone in, but they sent boneless, and y'all know I love bone in. So whenever I have boneless, I always make it into some type of dish. And that's what I did with this, okay? So I just cubed up those boneless pork chops. You see I have my Rosemary pork seasoning. It is the best on the market, okay? We're going to sprinkle that pork with the pork seasoning until it looks nice and good. Y'all know I'm heavy-handed. Oh, FYI, the heat is on medium high. And we're just going to cook the meat just like so. And then I'm going to start adding in my frozen mixture of peppers, onions, there's some celery in there as well. And now I'm adding in my peas and carrots. And I got both of these frozen mixes from Walmart, okay? And I think each pack is like 97 cents. So this recipe is really affordable, it's budget friendly, and my family loves it, okay? So we're going to cook everything until it's done. We still need to cook that meat some more. And then when it looks like this, we are going to start adding in more ingredients such as our rice. Now, I made too much rice this night, so I wanted to, turn it into this. This is usually what I call my leftover fried rice. If you have leftover rice, go ahead and add it in. It does incorporate a lot easier than done, like fresh done rice, okay? So now I'm going to add in some soy sauce. Off camera, I did add in some garlic, FYI. Add in that soy sauce, and following the soy sauce, I'm also going to add some sesame oil, okay? That does add a lot of flavor, so you don't want to skip out on this ingredient. And all the ingredients that I'm using in here, other than my Rosemary seasonings, can be found on or at Walmart, y'all. Of course, Rosemary seasonings needs to be bought from rosemaryseasonings.com. So now I'm going to add in 2 eggs, and this is just going to help bind everything. Some people like to scramble their eggs on the side. I do not. I scramble it within the pot. And I did turn the heat down to medium at this time. We're just going to let it cook for a couple more minutes, and you know what? We're done. Okay, you see it was very affordable. Oh, I said we were done, but I'm going to add some green onions. This is completely optional, but this is like my go-to when I'm trying to clean up the fridge, or if someone accidentally sends or buys me some bonus pork chops, y'all. Super easy. Get the recipe from iHeartRecipes.com.